Welcome back again, YouTubers. Another in the series. Now today we're gonna make some fried dumpling and dirty gal, flash out, tin mackerel, tin boom, whatever you call it. Yeah, you get the picture. So we have the flour now rolled into a dough. So we already seasoned, spice this up with a little vanilla Alaska, baking powder, salt, and some butter. Now we have our fried dumpling video already, so the recipe is on the channel already. So we're just gonna link the ingredients in the top right hand corner of this video. So stay tuned. Let me now add my dough to the frying pot. So now we completed making the dough. So now sufficient space apart. You know, here the sizzling coconut oil, stirring up a storm. So yeah, you know, when back in the days they used to call me dumpling, and this is the very reason I love me fried dumpling. So yeah, watch it. Stay tuned. So you know, you don't really want much fire if you fry your dumpling. You just want a low fire, medium flame. Yeah, and just let it penetrate right through and fry your dumpling. So you can tell by how the oil is sizzling that it's not a heavy or a high flame underneath the pot.
So we're going to use 2 cans of grease tin mackerel, and look at the
onion
sauce.
get chopped, flash out. Scallion get chopped. So guys, what we like to do with our mackerel is to remove the bones from the tin mackerel. So look at this. You see that fine bone that is in the middle? We normally like to remove it from our fish. So that's what we're about to do for all of these mackerel. Stay tuned. Just like that, guys.
And this is how it is looking, guys. All the bones have been removed, and you already see that we have our scallion and thyme already in the pan and it's sauté. So what we're about to do is to pour it into the frying pan, and we're gonna cook up everything very nice and delicious. Aye. Guys, look at that. It's very mouth-watering and delicious. Comment down below and let me know what you like to have your tin mackerel with. So we're going to allow the mackerel to simmer down for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we're going to plate. Alright guys, so here we have it. Our fried dumpling and tin mackerel. With over this, so we have 2 slices of pear or avocado. Real Jamaican breakfast this, guys. You know, some man are going to say, oh, you go eat 3 dumplings. 3 dumplings can't full belly because some man will over 5 and 6 fried dumpling, you know, like some people. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.